Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to open Deliveroo account in Italy. First, go to rider.deliveroo.it. This is where your journey begins. At the top right corner, you can pick between Italiano or English to make the process easier. Pick the city in Italy where you want to ride. Choose a place you know well. It helps with faster and smoother deliveries. Fill in your full name, email, and phone number. Double check everything because Deliveroo will use this to contact you. You can register with a bicycle, scooter, or car. Think about what works best for your area and resources. You'll need to provide like a valid ID, proof of your right to work in Italy, a driver's license if you use a scooter or car, insurance details if using a vehicle, your bank details so you can get paid. Deliveroo has an online training and safety module. This helps prepare you to deliver food safely and efficiently. Once everything is submitted, Deliveroo will review your application. If approved, you'll receive a free rider kit with all the gear you need. And that's it. That's how to open Deliveroo account in Italy. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.